Okay, today is the 7th of February 2024, and we're looking at the S&P 500 futures, and this is where we're at. So we broke above this range that we had been trading for weeks. This is a composite profile. Once we broke above, we attempted to come back into the range. We rejected, so we looked below, failed, and pushed higher, almost to 5,000. We didn't quite get there. Pulled back a little bit, attempted again to get in the low range. Sellers, we found buyers, so back above. So now, yesterday we had another day that we were balancing in this area, and now overnight we're having a nice rally above these two highs. So now we're heading to the 5,000. There was a big order sitting at 94 on the DOM, about 700 contracts. They just got all filled just now as I'm speaking. So we're breaking higher. We're gonna break, it looks like we're gonna break this the previous week's high, and so really we don't have much references above except this all-time high, which is a back adjusted level for the S&P 500 futures. So this is what we should be looking for. Doesn't necessarily have to happen today, but that is basically the level. So we want to see for the open is, do we break above, keep moving higher? One thing that I want to mention is that we let me just double check this, but the settlement is let me see, ES. The settlement last night for yesterday, I mean, it's at 49.7450, right? So 49.7450. So inventory is, I would say it's about balanced, maybe a little long. So we are not specifically looking for a correction, but if we pull back, look at the pullback, how we're reacting to this area, into the highs, the previous highs, the yesterday's high, which is 78.25. If we bounce and then move higher, or do we get into this range again, and then we can target this 67 5-day point of control. We're above weekly and monthly VWAPs, and we're just looking for where buyers and sellers agree price is fair. So when we have this like exploration, there's no really like overbought, oversold. Like the market is just looking for what's fair and where they agree that price is fair. So we're gonna be looking for balance, right? So do we use this as the next to base before the next range, or do we keep pushing higher and balance up here? So we have to see how the day evolves, and keep an open mind, because just as it goes easily up, it can just come down because there's no more buyers willing to pay these higher prices, and then we could have a liquidation break to come back into this area. So I'm gonna be looking for that at around 10 o'clock to see if we get a reversal back into this area. If not, then you just gotta go with a break, which is what we said yesterday. So if you're long from yesterday, from last night, congratulations. If not, don't worry. There's gonna be plenty of opportunities, especially because we have pretty big ranges lately, between 20, 30, 68 points the other day. So we're gonna have opportunities today, I believe. I just gotta be patient and look for the right spots for entries. Like one of the ones that I will be looking for is here for a bounce, and the other one will be a reversal at some point after 10 a.m. or if it doesn't happen at 10 a.m. then around 1:30, 2 p.m. NQ. NQ. NQ, I don't have the level for the back adjusted chart. The back adjusted all-time high. I haven't set it up on my chart yet, so I don't know what that is. But we have all this balance, and we have 1, 2, 3 highs that might break today, and maybe the target that I've been talking about and thinking is the 1800, because it's a big round number, and markets like those for some reason. I don't know why. But the same thing, if we fail to keep moving above these highs, then look for a return back to the point of control here at 17,710. And then if that's the case, if we move higher, then we reverse and we come here, then we can look for a push back into this 17,580 area. Today we have, what do we have? We have crude oil inventories, and then we have Fed speaking at 11, at 11:30, at 12:30. Then we have the 10-year auction, which is that one. I'm sure that there's going to be some price action on hedging flows right before that, so be aware of that. And then at 2 p.m. more Fed speaking. At 3 p.m. Consumer credit, and tomorrow we have a big tomorrow and the next day we have jobless claims, and then we have CPA on Friday. CPI on Friday, I'm sorry. So there's gonna be opportunity. So if you missed the breakout, don't worry, because there will be opportunities. I can guarantee you the market's gonna be there. There's always the next trade. So don't feel that you have to chase this. I took this break last night. I took a few points I think I covered some at 80, 89. No, sorry, at 82 I covered some, because I took them here at 72, I think it was. I covered half at 82. And then I put my moved my other stop on the rest to break even, and I got stopped out. So, we still got another, 12 points after that. So I didn't stay with the whole move. So anyway, my point is, do not let the FOMO dictate your trades, and wait for the setups. Be patient, because there will be opportunities. All right, good luck.